Hey everybody, we were out trash picking in the neighborhood and we got a elliptical out of the trash. It's a Body Fit by Sports Authority. Hey, Sports Authority's out of business now and it's a megahertz. So we went to go look for a lawnmower that my neighbor said was out for the trash, but we couldn't find the lawnmower. But my wife is into physical fitness, and we got her a bicycle, a stationary bicycle to ride. So she said she wanted an elliptical, so we got her elliptical. Everything seems to work. I'm not sure about the display, but it works by standing on it, moving back and forth, and the resistance works. I don't really care about the electronics in it. So anyway, little trash picking in the neighborhood. You never know what you might come up with. So everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You could do that right there in that corner. And please give me a thumbs up on all my videos, and we'll talk to you all later.